What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with another BMW X5. It's an LCI with a lovely design package on it. It is a styling package from Larte Design. We are a dealer of this lovely body kit. This customer has chosen for the hood, the splitter, side skirts, and of course has also done some other modifications like the mirror caps and the M Performance spoiler. The car is in for some other modifications that we will do to this car. So we are talking about the DCE parts X550 exhaust and some lowering for the aromatic suspension. So I'll walk you through the modifications and show you how it looks. So as we mentioned, it has a design package from Larte Design. It is a special hood designed for the G05 X5, coupled with the gloss black splitter from Larte Design. It also has the carbon side trims. Customer has also chosen for the carbon mirror caps, and as we mentioned, the M Performance spoiler in the back. So what have we done to the car today? We have done the DC parts X5 exhaust with the quad tips, which fits into the M60i exhaust tips. These are the original one that you can purchase from BMW, and then we also installed the gloss black diffuser part, just the middle part. So normally this diffuser also comes with the side fins, but we thought together with the package that is in front, this is a better look for this car. Very special wheels from Korbach. Lovely design. Great fitment also. It has a great fitment also. So this is without spacers, and the rear looks like this and the front looks like this. So the fitment is already pretty good. Of course, together with the lowering, this is the lowest setting that we have on this car, which is 20 mm in all settings. So in comfort, it's 20 mm lower, sport is 20 mm lower, and in the static setting, it's also 20 mm lower. So as you can hear, this is the recognizable BMW X5 50e sound by DCE parts. Lovely car. We're gonna take it out outside of the workshop and showcase you some more B-roll. So I want to thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.